Hello. After this time, you've learned how to do a number of things. You've learned some basic 3D operations, and you've learned how to take 2D sketches and turn them into dimensional things. However, now we start with where it gets really interesting. You need to be able to look at a situation, analyze what part goes there, and even more so, First has a rule where we can't reuse parts from season to season unless we post it online. At the moment, we haven't exactly figured out how that system works. So, if we have a really useful part that we manufacture in the shop that we want to use again, we have to manually recreate the file. And sometimes we see a robot. Another thing, sometimes we see a part in another robot that we think we could use, and we can't get their CAD files, so we need to make a recreation of it. And a few other purposes, but there are times when you will have to replicate a part. And this is kind of the first challenge of, it's like the first CAD challenge. You will find a part that looks about like this, located somewhere in the shop. Check the parts crib. It may actually be on one of the CAD tables already when you're there. I'm not sure. I'm filming this, let's see, 5-6 months earlier than when you would see this. If you do see this, maybe even 7 months. I don't know. It's April right now. Off season's just begun. Anyway, so I don't know where this will be at that time, but you will find this part. It's powder coated red. It looks like this, or hereabout. They're sort of like this. Actually, I think this hole's a bit smaller, but anyway, I need you to find that part using use a pair of dial calipers to figure out what dimensions you need to recreate that part and to recreate a CAD file of that part. So, I know this is an unusually short video because I'm not walking you through how to do something. This is a challenge. But, so, get to it! Also, side note, later some of these challenges will be timed. Not this one, because it's your first one, but later we will have a time challenge. That'll be fun.